Catherine Bernardo update. Yan, ID story ni Catherine. Yan, kasama pa nga ni Catherine mag-bake. Si Lexin, yung pamangkin niya. Yan pa yun, ayun na magtita. Nagtulungan para sa Daddy Teddy nila during Father's Day. Sabi ni Catherine, Sunday cheat day. Lexin made a little something to celebrate Father's Day. Assist by Tita Kat with Papa as expert taste tester appear. May petakatikim. Yan, tinikman muna nila Catherine at Lexin. Nagawa nila. May pinatikim din nila kay Daddy Teddy. Yun o. Ito yung something to yung approve para kay Daddy Teddy. Nagawa nila Catherine at Lexin. Yun o. Kaya nalagay na sa oven. Ayan yung finished product. Binuksan na yung oven. Ayan, nakaagutan. Wow. Ayan, sarap yan, no? Congrats. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Mature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.